With the way the real estate market's changing right now, everybody has a little bit of anxiety and a lot of questions. And you may sense that feeling. You may be getting those questions from your clients you can't answer, or even worse, there's fear of a spreading housing crisis on the horizon. However, you still have one very important tool that you can use to help your clients through this, and that's communication. And it's our responsibility in this market. By starting conversations and sharing important insights and providing market updates, you're replacing fear with facts. And when these uncertain times pass, you'll be remembered as the agent who went above and beyond to help their community through all of this. To help you navigate these unprecedented times, we've got 4 tips that'll help you combat the fear and be the voice of reason and keep your clients informed. If you like content like this and you want to get more of it, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the Keeping Current Matters YouTube page, and click the bell so that you're notified when we publish new content. Now, onto the tips. First and foremost, stay educated. If you want to be able to answer your clients' toughest questions right now, you have to know the answers. And with the market changing quickly, that means keeping your finger on the pulse of what's happening in housing every single day. But even more than that, you also have to really understand the market to be able to explain it to your clients. And that means not only having an opinion, but having a relevant, fact-based opinion that's rooted in what experts are saying. Next, you have to stay engaged. If there's ever been a more important time to stay engaged with your clients, it's right now. And this isn't about sales, it's about building relationships and confronting concerns and making sure your clients know you have their back. Make the calls, send the emails, and drive engagement by asking questions on your social media platforms and doing this every single day. As a real estate agent, you're a fixture in your community, and by calling to check in on clients or maybe sending a text or an email or sharing important market insights, you're showing you genuinely care about their well-being. Third, you have to share visuals as the trusted advisor, and your sphere of influence is looking to you to answer some of the toughest questions, even if they aren't openly asking them. Like the old saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and visuals are the single best way to communicate data and hard facts, as well as build confidence in your sphere. Here's how to do it. Go to the recent blog, the 4 biggest questions every agent needs to be able to answer this summer, and save the visuals to your desktop or your phone, and then copy and paste the data from each of the talking points, or maybe take a screenshot of the different sections. Then create a new Instagram or Facebook post or story and upload those visuals and insert the copy from the article into the caption. Publish and then repeat. The reason this is so important is because the human brain processes images 60,000 times faster than text. Here are some examples of how other agents are using KCM visuals to do this. And lastly, you have to create videos. In times of uncertainty, people flock to brands and to companies they not only like, but they trust. And the best way to prove to buyers and sellers that you're the most likable and trustworthy real estate professional in your market is to create videos. So how does that work? Hear what #1 real estate coach Tom Ferry has to say about the massive impact of video on your business.
We have to say to ourselves, I'm in business, and my business is to connect with people, to build my brand, to gain trust, to gain loyalty, and ultimately become the one that they choose. And since 81% of consumers are saying video is the thing that I want, we just simply have to get in the way.
Now you may be thinking this is easier said than done, but I can assure you it's not. We've made it extra easy with Real Talk by KCM. It's the first all-in-one video creator for real estate agents that lets you create market update videos in minutes. It's got a built-in teleprompter. We give you weekly market update scripts, and it automatically generates visuals. So all you have to do is shoot it and then share it. Remember, this isn't the time to be camera shy. Getting in the habit of sharing weekly market updates and real estate insights that educate and motivate your clients could make or break your business right now. But most importantly, it can help you connect with your followers, build an audience, and correct a lot of the misinformation surrounding today's housing market. And here's what you really need to take away. With all the uncertainty surrounding the housing market, people are searching for answers about where everything is headed. This is an important time to connect and correct any misinformation with research-based facts, so when everything is said and done, you stand out not as just a real estate agent, but a real estate expert. By getting in the habit of taking all those actions, you're setting up your business for growth no matter what happens in real estate today or in the future.